In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design a shirt in Roblox. So first, you just have to go to your Roblox account. Just go to any web browser and then log in your Roblox. Now here, go to create, okay? And then go to dashboard. Now under dashboard, we have some options, but go to avatar items. And then here, you just have to look for shirts. Tap this one and then click upload asset. So below are the samples of your shirts, okay? So as you can see, we have here upload, but before that, you have to create a shirt first. In order to know, you have to click learn more and you can read the following here and then scroll down. This is the template. All you have to do is to right click and then click save as. Save it to your desktop for downloads. Now once done, go to this site, what we call photo fee. Okay, type photo fee and then click enter. Click the first one that appears here, tap this one. And then here, all you have to do is just simply import the template that you have saved earlier. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do is just simply select this part right here. I mean, go to this rectangle first, tap this one. Okay, and then kindly select the area that you want to delete. Okay, so this part, wait, okay, tap this and then select the area that you want to delete. Okay, so you can do this also to this area, I mean from up and down. Okay, and then kindly try to cover, I mean to delete all of this. Okay, same thing with your right arm. You just have to select this area and then click delete. Also this area, delete. For your left arm, you should also click delete. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply click delete. As easy as that. And try to delete everything. I mean, you have to delete the part that has or that we can see the template. Okay, delete. And then once done, all you have to do is simply open again a new tab. And this time you have to search for shirt texture. Okay. Okay, so go to any web browser, type shirt texture, and make sure that you choose PNG or JPEG format because there are other formats here that you cannot import. So make sure that this one is PNG better or JPEG format. Now, once done, all you have to do is to go back to your photo feed and then go to File, Open in Place, and then import the shirt here or the shirt texture here. You can cover the page if you want. All you have to do is just simply go to Transform Controls, check this one, and then drag it right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to tap check. Once done, you can now export this and make sure that this one is PNG. Okay, so to do that, you can simply go to File and then look for Export and export your image. Okay, drag it again. Okay, so make sure that you have covered everything here. Okay, so after that, again, go to File and then go to Export and then tap PNG. So after exporting and saving this, you can go back to your Roblox account. Okay. Actually, before you export this image, you can also add some objects here if you want. You can add some text if you want. Okay, but once you're okay, then you can go to export and save this to PNG. Okay. And then now you can go back to your Roblox, go to upload asset, click upload, make sure that this one is the same format as this, and then select the image that you created earlier. And then here you can add some description, you can add some name, And you have to take note that you can create a shirt if you don't have 10 Robux. So make sure that you have sufficient balance in order for you to upload or create a shirt. Okay, so once done, click upload again. Okay, and then wait as it is loading. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple of minutes, I guess. So let's just get back once it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the product or the finished product. Okay, so just wait. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's it, and that's how you create shirt in Roblox. So I really hope this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.